When choosing a foundation, decide if the client is light, medium, or dark. Are they pink, neutral, or yellow undertoned? A tip from the pro, test the shade in these two places. When applying foundation, use a brush or a sponge for more coverage. Apply all over the face, including the eyelids. Mist the face with Evian Facial Spray to hydrate the skin for a youthful look. Swirl all 4 shades of the quad and apply in an E and 3 shape on the face. With a smaller brush, apply darker shade to the nose and cheeks. Apply highlighter of quad to places where light hits the face naturally. Lightly apply blush to cheeks in a half C or checkmark shape. Keep blush above this line and remember to blend into the hairline. Apply the lightest shade of eyeshadow on the entire lid all the way up to the brow. Apply the medium shade to the crease and blend, blend, blend. Using the darkest shade with a damp angled brush, line on the top and bottom lash line. Apply the darkest shade to the corner of the eye in a sideways V. To apply your brow, use an angled brush and use short, light strokes on the inside of the brow and then longer, feather-like strokes on the outside of the brow. To keep brow looking natural, blend out your strokes thoroughly with a brush. Apply 2 coats of mascara and brush out any clumps with a lash comb. Apply 1 or 2 coats of color to achieve the look that you want. Remember, this color is buildable.